Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. In the previous video we have learned about the chmod command, that is change mode command, to alter the file permissions. So we have seen one way of implementing the chmod command, that is nothing but symbolic notation. The symbolic notation means which we will be giving you the some symbols like assigning a permission or removing a permission, something like that, and we have learned about this one. So now in this video we will try to learn about the another way of implementation, that is nothing but octal or the numeric mode. So this is another implementation of this one. Octal or the numeric code is nothing but something like octal implementation of this one. So you will be having 0 to 7. So this is the octal thing, and each one will be representing something like a binary value. So here if you try to see the triple digit, something like 0, if you try to say, that means none of the permission has been given. So that means it stands for 0 0 0. And if you want to give only the X permission means then we need to give 1. So that means 0 0 1. So read, write and execute. So when it is 1 means then it is on, when it is 0 means it is off. So like this we will be having different ways of implementation. So where it is 111 means the 7. So that is read, write and execute. So this is the implementation, and each permission has a numeric value. So this is an octal implementation of this one, and another one is nothing but what I want to tell you is octal implementation of this one. So for numeric implementation, so each permission will have a numeric value. That means read will be having a value of 4, and write will be having a value of 2, and execute will be having a value of 1. So you can also use either this way or otherwise this way. So now for example, you can combine these to form a 3-digit number representing owner, group and also the other permission. So that is one thing. So for example, let's say that I want to apply something like for the user I want to apply only owner. If I want to apply only read write means, so then I can implement something like chmod. So only read write for the owner if I want to apply means then I need to use the 6. Okay, and then for the what I want to do is, so if I want to apply for the group also the read write permission means like this. For others I want to have only X permission means then I can use the 1. So this means 661 means, so for the user, so this 6 represents for the user and 6 represents for the group and 1 represents for the others. So this is little bit of confusing or little bit of somewhat difficult for us. So the previous one is somewhat easy, but this one is somewhat difficult, but okay, fine. So just I want to explain to you the concept, that is why I am explaining you. I can also tell you in a simpler fashion also. If you remember these 3 values, numeric values, like read has 4 2 1. If you have these values, then if you try to see here, simple. So I want to apply chmod. I want to apply read write permission to the user means read and write, 4 plus 2 is 6, and I want to apply 6 group for the group also, and I want to apply only execute means then it is only 1. So like this you can apply. So this is the how we will be having. So now I will try to show you some scenarios. So for example here ls-l, let's assume. So let's go to the desktop. So we have some permissions file, right? So here we will be having some permissions file. Okay, ls-l, let's try to ls-l. Now this one is having read write permission you having. I want to apply only the execute permission for all the 3. So then I can apply something like chmod execute means 1 1 1, and I can apply file.txt. That's it. So now if you try to see here, only the execute permission has been applied. If I want to apply only read write execute permission for all of them means then I can use chmod 777 permission to the file.txt. Then all the permissions will be assigned to this one. So if you try to see here, I want to apply only read and execute. So then what I need to do is read means 4 and execute means 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Chmod 5, and I want to apply only read write permission to the group. So that means read and write means 4 plus 2 6, and I want to apply only the read permission to the others. So that means 4 5 6 4 I can use it. So then I can use file.txt. That's it. So now if you try to see here ls-l, so like this we can able to implement it. So this is what I want to explain you about the concept. So examples, if I want to give 755 permission means, then owner I am giving read and execute, okay, for the group read, write and execute. So for example, let's say that 755 means for the owner I am giving read, write, execute, and read, execute and read, execute for the group and others. So if I try to use file.txt, then ls-l, so read, write, execute, read, execute, and these permissions. 640, so 666, like this you can use it. So now whenever you want to, common chmod use cases will be whenever you want to make the what I want to just make the scripts executable means, then what you can use it is chmod plus x file.txt. You can use it like this. Then if you try to see, so then you will be able to see that read, execute will be applied to this one. So for example, if you want to secure the file, then it should be private. So if you want to make a file private means, then you need to use something like chmod 600 file.txt. So that means only owner will have the permission to read, write, and remaining all will not have any permission. So this is the securing the file. So something like a private file you can say. So if you want to have a group to collaborate means, then you need to give a permissions 664, okay. So file.txt, these are the common things which you will be giving. So when you are assigning, so here for the owner you are having read, write, and for the group you are having read, write, but others you have only the read permission only. So this is one thing which you need to understand. So normally generally we will use this type of permissions which will be for a file to have it. So that's it, that's it. Additional notes which I want to tell you is, before closing of this one, you usually need administrative privileges. That means we can use it using the sudo to change the permission of the file that you do not want. For example, the file, if you are not having, if the file doesn't belongs to you means, then we need to use a sudo command. So I will explain you about this sudo thing also. To change the permissions recursively within a directory, including the subdirectories, we need to use the -r option. So that means, for example, I want to apply for the all the files in the permissions directory means, then I need to use -r, and you can give u plus x, something like this, and you can give the permissions folder. So like this you can give it. So this is how you can do it. And if you want to know more about these details and all those things, so what I will try to do is, so you can go to the man chmod and you can see all the things, all the manual descriptions. So chmod change the file mode bits, and here you will be able to see options and all those things you will be able to see. And we have learned about one option, that is nothing but -r, -recursive. This is the full for notation, and this one is the short notation. So that's it guys about this chmod. In the next video we will try to learn about the su and also the sudo privileges. So hope you understood about the chmod. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.